Here are the steps I'd take to become a social media manager in 2023. 1. Gain relevant skills. Complete courses in social media marketing, content writing, graphic design, and web analytics. Familiarize myself with major social platforms and learn best practices. 2. Build a portfolio. Create social media profiles for a hypothetical brand or nonprofit to demonstrate my experience and skills. Grow followers and actively manage the profiles. 3. Gain work experience. Look for internships or volunteer opportunities at nonprofits or businesses to gain hands-on social media management experience. 4. Network. Attend social media marketing conferences and meetups to build my professional network and find job opportunities. Connect with social media managers on LinkedIn. 5. Create a personal brand. Develop my own social media profiles to highlight my expertise and personality. Optimize my LinkedIn profile for discoverability. 6. Apply for entry-level positions. Apply for social media assistant or coordinator roles at companies and nonprofits. Even if not initially a full social media manager job, it will provide experience. 7. Keep learning. Stay up to date on new social media platforms, features, and trends. Read social media marketing articles and blogs regularly. Keep optimizing my social profiles. 8. Progress in my career. Leverage experience gained to apply for more senior social media manager positions. Move to larger companies with a broader social media scope. 9. Specialize. Consider focusing my career on a particular industry vertical, healthcare, retail, travel, etc., to become an in-demand specialist. 10. Continue education. Consider pursuing certificates or degrees in areas like digital marketing, public relations, or communications to expand my knowledge and credentials. Hope this helps. Let me know if you have any other questions.